Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Harsha from Noobs Portal, and today we're gonna see how to annotate images and videos using LabelImg and ffmpeg. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, let's open the terminal and update the packages. Type sudo apt-get update. So the update is done. Let's clear and upgrade the pip packages. Type pip install -upgrade pip. So the pip packages have been updated. So let's open the terminal and type the command pip3 install LabelImg. The I must be the uppercase, the rest are lowercase. This is one of the easiest way to install LabelImg, and you can open the LabelImg anywhere from the terminal by just typing the command LabelImg. So I have a bunch of images to be labeled, and I stored them in a folder called sample_images, and here are some images of speakers, mouse, keyboard, etc. So let me close it. And so we are going to label these images with the help of LabelImg. Let me close this and open the terminal. And type the command LabelImg. Remember, everything must be in lowercase except I. I must be in uppercase. First, go to the open directory and select the file. And here in my case, it's in my desktop. So I select desktop and sample images and open. So the images are imported to LabelImg, and change the save directory path. Remember, the directory path and the save directory path must remain the same. You can use these arrows to select the images, and this is the YOLO format or Pascal format. In my case, I'm using YOLO format. Now select the rectangle box and draw a rectangle. Remember, the rectangle must cover the entire object, and give it a name. So as you can see, the speaker is labeled in the label box. You can even edit the label, and you can change the name if you want. So let me draw another rectangle box and label it as mouse. You can even move the box to front and back. If you want to delete it, you can select the rectangle and click the delete. So once the rectangle is deleted, the label will also be removed. So click on save. Now I'm going to repeat the process for all the images in the folder. There is a file list in the right bottom corner, and it contains the path of the images. Click on save, and even you can duplicate the rectangle box by just clicking it, and it duplicates the rectangle box of the previous image and as well as its label. So always be careful while duplicating the rectangle boxes. So close it when you're done, give clear and exit the terminal. Now go to the folders. You can see each image file has its own text file. So this image contains a speaker and a mouse. So there are two labels. Open the first text file. You can see there are two lines. One of these lines represents speaker, the other one represents the mouse. These represents the values of speaker and the mouse. The number of rows shows number of objects in the image. The second column of the row indicates the center X of the image or center X of the object in the image. The third column in the row shows the center Y of the object in the image. And the column number 4 shows the width of the image, the entire image. And the column 5 shows the height of the image. The first column shows the class label. So let's close this and open another text. Here it's the same, but the number of rows are different because there is only one object labeled in this image. So it contains only one row, but the columns are fixed in every image. Except the first column, all the columns must remain between the range 0 to 1 because these are normalized values and they must remain between the range 0 to 1. So this is the class text. As I said earlier, the 0 represents the speaker and 1 represents the mouse. That's it. Now labeling images is done. Let's move on to the video. Now open the terminal and type the command pip3 install ffmpeg and press enter. Now type ffmpeg space -- version to ensure that the installation is done perfectly. Here you can see the version of ffmpeg. It's 4.2.4 in my case. Now open the sample videos folder and here is my sample file. Let me open it. So this is going to be my sample video, which I'm going to break it down as images and then label it in the same way I have labeled the images. So close it. Open the terminal and type the following command. The desktop/sample videos is the location of my sample video. In your case, it may be different. So kindly change the path of the video file. And click enter. So this is going to be the syntax to convert a video file into image file. In this, the file name .mp4. It is nothing but the name of your file. In my case, it's sample.mp4. And also provide the FPS value. Always make sure the FPS value remains between 3 to 4 if it's the speed of the video is normal. If the speed of the video is too high or too slow, then change the FPS value accordingly. So let me type the syntax: ffmpeg space I space sample.mp4, the file name of my video file, space vf space fps equal to 3. I set the fps value as 3, space image hyphen percentage d dot jpeg. So the image will be in jpeg format and it will be named as image 1, image 2, image 3 and so on. The percentage d represents the number. Press enter and the video file will be converted into images accordingly. Let me close it and open the sample videos folder. Here you can see the images. The video is completely splitted into images. Here you can see the video is completely converted into 75 images. The length of the video is 25 seconds and it is converted into 76 images. And here is the sample.mp4, the video file. Let me close it and open the terminal, clear, type cd, clear, type LabelImg and open it up. Now repeat the same process as you did for the images. Change the open directory and save directory, and this is how you annotate images and videos. So in the next video I'll be teaching you guys to create your custom object detection model using YOLO, and we use the same way to annotate images and videos for our custom object detection model using YOLO. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you guys liked it. Like, share and subscribe and comment down if you have any queries. See you then, bye.